or does it fucking one-shot?
Did I
And there's a
fucking
dark type and it fucking one-shots it! Are you fucking kidding me?
Did I fucking say hydro pump? No, I said sir!
It will do nothing! That's fucking 270 base damage! That is not one-shot a special defense EV Tyranitar! Have you ever seen that shit? It will fuck you up!
Dead!
Loud
Fucking
noises!
dead!
And how are you gonna get past it when you have your
It
fucking perfect
fucking
team?
died! I killed it already!
Yeah, where's your fighting type again? Oh, that's right.
I don't
You know what?
need more!
Fucking counter to every fucking time in the goddamn game. Fighting comes 4 times.